I be passenger like this. So now you see I see with that thing where on they feel go come be like say we know they move, like say we stand one place. But anyways, with this cloud now, if they look and we go you know we go not say we they move, sure. Maybe by the time when we pass this cloud, they for clear sky, I go position and show now. That thing where they make on they feel say be like say the plane stand one place. The speed where they tear now. So you see this now, for those people that will always say that the plane is standing one place, it's not moving. Why is it that we are not moving? So if you fly now and you get this kind of view, now in the thing gonna be you like say the plane no they move. But like I was talking earlier, this plane now, as we possibly don't they cruise now, they like maybe around approximately, let's say they're 300 or maybe already cruising, they should be tearing like around 800 or 700 and something kilometers per hour at this speed now. So if you want to know whether or not they move, especially on clear skies like this, because the effect will always be looking as if you are not moving. What you do is just pick up a spot, maybe a cloud, maybe a small cloud. It's actually a clear sky, but if you still look around, you will see maybe some patches of small cloud. Pick it up, just focus on that. You will see that you people will be getting away from that particular spot which you just picked up. Alright? If the team know they move, or some person will say, we just fly at a point, we can't stand one place. The plane no stand one place, and I still they tear the speed they go. Alright? And so they matter me. So let's say, you know, say plane why say at some point the company like say we stand one place. The plane no stand one place. They move, they tear better speed, you know. That is it. Plane only helicopter and if you just they hover or just stand one place. Plane, you know, they stand one place. It's always on the move. They tear the speed, they go. Alright? So it be. Stay tuned. If you get any further questions, don't waste time.